Stags Media presents How to Camp Without Dying. Step 1. Bring the basics. This nifty little item is perfect for lighting small fires and cooking your food. Don't forget to bring along your cookware, snacks, flashlight. This handy little item is perfect for staking a tent or killing bears. Don't forget your can opener and water for drinking. Step 2. Unpacked and set up. Be sure to have your lantern and plenty of propane. Before you pitch a tent, lay down a tarp. This saves you from killer bugs out to eat you at any moment. Now you're ready to pitch a tent. Just follow the instructions that come with your tent and you'll be ready in no time. See, that was easy. You did great. Don't forget your air mattress. Don't be a dumb Danny. This little device will get you blown up in no time. Just plug it into your car's cigarette lighter and let it do the work for you. See, that was easy. You're ready to go. Now sit back and relax. Always have a couple sleeping bags to protect you from freezing temperatures. You're all set. Now let's get cooking. Be sure to have 2 propane tanks, one for your lantern and one for your stove. Just plug in the propane tank and you're ready to go. That was easy. Be sure to bring enough food and pack accordingly. You're ready to go. Congratulations, you're ready for camping. And don't forget, next time just stay in a hotel. It's cheaper and you won't die.